Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I want to talk to you about a product called Polycrylic, which is a water-borne top coat. Comes in two ways to apply it, either brushing or spraying, and depending on the project you're working on, one would be better than the other. Now, if you're working on some type of interior project, that's what you would use the polycrylic for. And if it's a horizontal surface like an end table or a dining room table, and you're looking for a beautiful finish, the brush-on application of the polycrylic is definitely what you want to use. But let's say you're working on a vertical surface, you know, the spindles on a staircase or a bar stool, something where you got to get into the nooks and crannies. This spray polycrylic is the way to go. Comes in different finishes, so either one that you choose will come in either a satin, or even a gloss finish. And then if you follow the manufacturer's recommendation on how to apply it, you'll get amazing results. Coming up next, my video on how to choose the right stain.